This sure is a magnificent device, wouldn't you say? Yep, it's a microwave, and it has many uses. And for Jim's Kitsch Kitchen today, I thought I'd make something in the microwave. I'm gonna make a homemade microwave pizza in a bowl. Okay? Come with me and I'll show you how you do it. You grab your bowl. Right here I have a half a cup of flour that I'm gonna put right in that bowl. Pretty simple. To that flour, I'm gonna add 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Not too much. On top of that, I'm gonna add a little Italian seasonings. Give that dough a little flavor. I'm also going to add some garlic powder to it. A few shakes of garlic powder. And then on top of that, I'll add just a touch of salt. Then we've got the base of our dough, but we need to make this dough. So to the dough, I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. And then 3 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And now I'm going to take that and I'm going to mix it all up. So take a look in here. This is basically the foundation of the dough. Just says give it a good mix. Might add a touch more water, just a touch. Give you a touch of oil as well. It's doing pretty good. Alright, now that I have my dough, kind of going to push it in the bottom of my bowl like that. And then to the dough, I'm going to add some pizza sauce to the top. Cover it up. On top of the pizza sauce, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese right on top. Like that. See that? And then on top of the mozzarella cheese, we got some pepperoni. Cover it in some pepperoni. There we go. We've got our pizza. And now comes the microwave part. We're going to put it right in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. 1:30 and begin. See you in 1.5 minutes. We'll see how it goes. There it is. That was a very fast 1.5 minutes. Okay, let's take a peek, shall we? Oh, it looks good. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's very cheesy. And here's the dough. It looks cooked. Cool. Well, time to sample it. It might be a little hot on the tongue. Let's give it a... Ooh. Tastes like pizza. Hot. Delicious. Bubbly. Pizza! And it was easy too. In the microwave in 1.5 minutes, I had a meal. This is my dinner tonight. You could make something like this too in your kitchen. Thanks for coming to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I care for you. Eat your pizza. Bye.